Boom. Hey, we back. All right, we in the garage, you know what I'm saying? By the G body right here, you know what I'm saying? So we went to AutoZone. I left the camera in the car, so I ain't got no footage, but it wasn't too much. I just walked through, picked up some some starter fluid from AutoZone. Then I went to Walmart. Got some of this OxyClean right here, because we about to clean the interior before we sit in there and put the ignition and everything in. We're gonna clean it out, man. I got the vacuum cleaner. Was gonna get a shot back, but hey, I got a vacuum cleaner, I'll just use that. And then we're gonna clean it out, man. I got the light set up on the other side over there. So if you didn't see the way this interior looked when I first got it, or once I got it in the garage, check out some of the shorts. I did a short video on it, on how it look now. So, and I'm gonna show you out the after I'm finished cleaning. And I do have to go get the interior. I'm gonna bring the color back because the color's been faded, especially in the front seat. So I'm gonna keep the seats. I ain't doing all that extra shit right now. So I'm gonna eventually spray the front seats back to the original color. Tomorrow we'll be cranking it up, and then I'll do all the other extra stuff. But hey, y'all gonna see that because I don't have videos on that too. What? So stay tuned. So let's get to the cleaning. You see, I'm dressed for the job. Let's go. Bruh, don't tell me I left the brushes and all that. I know this thing had a brush on it. This can't be the only thing that it's gonna be. All right, man, we about to do some of this right here. OxyClean. Hopefully it do good, man. I accidentally sprayed some. It smells good, so hopefully it changes a lot of the smell and all that in here. All right, so we're gonna spray it and let it sit for a little while, and then we come back and we're gonna scrub it up. So we're gonna spray from this side to this side. So we're gonna soak it. Mainly just focus on the front seats right now. So this way I'm gonna be sitting at. Hey man, we finished cleaning that thing out. You know, I'm a little hot, sweaty, all that good stuff, you know what I'm saying? So hopefully when we come back tomorrow, it smells better. Also look as good as it looks right now tomorrow. And then tomorrow we'll be under this hood, getting this thing turning, you know? So make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. And hey, come on back for the next video. And remember, every day you wake up is a blessed day. So make sure you wake up on one. And we out. Peace.
JPRE.